terms of where I come from and stuff like that. So, ke nyaka gore ke le romeng le molaetšeng this, right? Tell him, I want you guys to tell him that I'm going to fucking buy his family. I want you guys to tell him that. So if you don't know his name, then it's not your battle to fight, but it's okay. So now this boy went online and made a video that I rented an RS7, right? And I bought my RS7 in 2018 November, right? 2018 November. 2017 I never had an RS7. 2017 I was still a toddler. I didn't even have a single car, at least until July. I didn't even have a house, at least until when I started staying in Sosha, meaning that was like my start for everything. So this boy went out online and said that I actually wanted my lawyer to deal with him, but we did an investigation and found out that he actually comes from a broke family. So meaning that even if we were to sue him with the proof of payments that I have here, it was not going to be worth it because he is broke, his parents are broke, everybody is in his family is broke, so it's not worth my time. But just go and show him this. Because next time he's gonna deal with the wrong people and they are going to kill him. No, I don't kill people, but they are going to kill him. So he must just watch out because he doesn't know where people come from, you know. So sharp. This boy said that I didn't buy my RS7. So Kitole one more time in case you haven't seen it, right? So the RS7 was about 1.3, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was somewhere there. 1.3, somewhere there. Not more than 1.4 though. Million, right? It was about 1.3, not more than 1.4 million. And I paid it cash. Let us first understand that statement. Like cash. Let me go and show him this. Cash as a installment. Now this is the proof of payment in 2018 in 2018 6th of November 2018 6th of November 2018 when I was buying the RS7, right? The first transfer was 500,000. That was the first transfer. I agree, this is what he wants to see. Then the second transfer was 400,000. Then the third transfer was 300 and something thousand, not more than 400. It was paid by my manager Betwell. He's the one who paid it from his account. So he is the one who has the proof of payment for that. Unfortunately, me and Betwell do not stay at the same house. He has his own house now, right? Actually, he has had one before. He just decided to move to his own place just recently because he has a kid and he wants to start his family. So in total on this, I've actually paid 900,000 in total. Then the remaining 100 and something, the remaining 300 and something thousand was paid by my manager because we wanted to make immediate payments so we could get the car on the same day. I remember it very well. It was that time Kim Monada made a song called Idibala. It was trending at that time, so I wanted that car on the same day so I can Idibala on it. So now when this boy comes and telling me about my life, what I've done, what happened, whether I sold it or I got an accident or it was stolen, it's none of anyone's business for that matter. Anyways, on that same month in 2018, I agree, he's going back. He wants to see the past. In 2018, just from the 10th of October 2018 up until the 10th of November 2018 as well, I have spent, this is the amount, let me break it down to you. Cash withdrawals, I've made cash withdrawal of 44,000. Debit orders or scheduled payment, it's 25,000. That is the insurance, by the way. It's insurance, by the way. It's insurance, by the way. Total for the insurance at that time. Keep in mind, I was still driving, I think the S3 or something. I don't remember very well. No, it was not S3. It was C180. I don't know. I think. I don't remember very well. Sharp. And then account payments, the money that I've actually paid to various accounts, it's 3.9 million, right? And then inter-account transfer out, it's 8,000 rand. Card purchases, 199,000 rand. I was actually buying furniture for one of my places. Fuel purchases, 27,000. So ke gopela le molaetšeng this thing, le molaetšeng gore le mmotšeng gore nna ke re nyo mmagwe, le mmotšeng ke re nyo mmagwe, nyo mmagwe. My lawyer wanted to deal with him so bad, but we've already ran deep investigation on him. He's actually a broke colored boy, you know, so he doesn't have anything to offer. Even if I were to sue him, because I have the proof of payments here. I have the proof of payments here. The traffic department knows my name on the certificate of ownership. So if I wanted to sue, if he was worth being sued, because I don't want to end up like Bonang. You remember recently Bonang sued a boy 500,000. The boy who doesn't even have it. So what? Sometimes it's just using, wasting your resources. But if he had something, I was gonna sue his ass, provide this proof of payment to my lawyer. He was gonna shit himself. Him and his entire family, they were gonna combine everything they have to pay me. But unfortunately, what are they going to pay me with? Because the boy itself, he has nothing. The only thing he has is a YouTube, it's a camera for doing these videos. I mean, what will I do by taking the boy's YouTube camera? What will I gain? That camera is probably even worth 2,500. 2,500 is what I spend every second. So I bought my Audi RS7 cash. Whether I sold it, it's none of his business. None of his business. So I'm telling you this now. Whatever that I buy, when I sell it, I sell it. When you see it, wherever you see it, it's none of your fucking business. Focus on your life. Because he should be glad I don't kill people. He should be glad I don't kill people, because I was gonna take the proof of payment for the car and go back to Audi and get hold of the offer to purchase that I was filed in 2018 on my behalf, and go to his fucking house, because definitely I have everything on him. That's how I knew that he has nothing. He's not worth me suing him. I was gonna sue his ass. I was even gonna take his hair and go sell it as a weave. You know, as a weave, because he's an Indian. I was gonna take his hair and go sell it as a weave. I don't know if he's an Indian or he's a Mexican or whatever he is. You know, just warn the boy. Warn the boy. If there's something you don't understand about my life, come back and ask me. Don't ask me through gossip pages saying you have seen a newspaper saying this. I don't live on newspapers. If there's something you don't understand, come to me and say, Coach, this is what I've seen. It doesn't sit well with me seeing this. What happened? I will sit down with you and explain that, you know what happened. This and that happened. I went through a rough patch in life, so I had to make sacrifices, or I got involved in a car accident, you know, such things, because we don't necessarily post each and every single thing that we go through. Some things we just keep private for the sake of peace. Now, when I keep my things private, and then when you think you investigated and you found out about something, that's gonna bring me down. When in your mouth, then ke tlo hlaba retele ka vaccine, ke tlo hlaba semenyo se ka vaccine, because I would say gore what I had to go through gore ke fihle mo kelego ke tlo go hlaba retele ka vaccine mfana mfana ke tlo go penyola mfana ye o ka bolela ka dilo tše ntši mfana e sego Audi R7 mfana and le M4 I'm waiting like a M4 I'm waiting for him to start ka M4 I'm waiting for him to start jalo ha tlo thoma mo ka M4 ke gana mo ile gore ke tlo mhlaba retele I'm gonna get his address and I'm gonna fuck him up and I'm gonna fuck everybody in his family. I'm gonna fuck everyone up. Trust me, unless if somebody does it before me, then that is less job on my table, on my hands. You understand? When I sell them, it's none of your business. When I sell them, they are back on the market. Anybody can buy. It's none of your business, chief. So doesn't mean that I never bought these things. In your family, who else is in your family who was able to spend 4.2 million in a month and still able to breathe? Nobody. Mfano wa nyaman. Untala batho marete. Nyomagwe ibile. Nyomagwe emna le nyomagwe it's not even worth 200 rand. Tell him that nyomagwe is not worth 200 rand. Even nyomagwe it's not even worth 200 rand. Mfano untwala masepa hii. Kiberekile wima to get these things. I worked fucking hard alone. I don't discredit for all my hard work just because you clicked follow. It's not even worth 200 rand. Ngasa reka 200 rand ta nyomagwe. Isokola kakudu. If nwela e khonontsha hlogo ele e brainless and stupid, that says a lot ka nyomagwe. It says a lot ka nyomagwe. Mfano ntomme pele. Now I never started anybody. Now I live my peaceful life. I post my stuff on my timeline. I don't follow and then the video karwantseba. I'm satanyoko. I'm penyola. He's putting a bad name on Indians. Indians are nice people. The Indians I know personally are nice people. Maraya is putting a bad name on Indians. Emana ke tlo penyola mfano mona. Yerre nyomago yang khaibile nkhamareta gage. Esa yo kontlela ke mopedi na mfana, ke mopedi ke Africana. Yerre le mmotsheng bana, le mmotsheng a kere everything every time I get live wa recorder ena. Surely wa di bona le tsona tshi. A kere ka mkhwa di bona. He sees everything that I do. Nyomagwe. I bought my shit. I bought my RS7 cash in 2018. I have proof of payments here. Ke le lady tshon. Le bolelang lena. Ke tlo botsa masepa le lena. Le tlo ntlaela ka moka. A ke masepa jwalo nna ke tsene mo dunyaka. Le tlo disturb. No, I'm supposed to make money peacefully. Oh, but he's colored. Nyomagwe colored leo. Nyomagwe. I can't put whether he's Indian or he's colored. Nyomagwe lena. Nyomagwe le mmotsheng. Aya dirtse dingwe video gape a sa lebala ga dia di video ka nna a tshele le nyomagwe mo mathomong a tshele rete la tatago kwa mafelong a tshele nyomagwe le tlo translate le fa ko Sepedi as masepaka business aka o ra tse Sepedi nkushi ke ba ke fihlile jwalo nna mopedi a ban tsilikisha mona amana ke regular cash mona here mona go tswela 900,000 rents 900,000 o tlo mpotsa gore ke rentile nyommago le mmago a nna salary ya mmago ya 20 years I amount to 900,000 o tlo mpotsa gore ke rentile ke spendile so much money. I spent 1.3 close to whatever buying that car, chief. A o tlo o bolela o ka bolo gona na le nna mona eban Nothing the lockdown. Make him fun. Making you come lata live. Because sort the proof of payment. Come like it on. Come penyol. If I let's say we penyol, king little Google. Marataga man. Yom uratun jira kargin nam satan. Na I'm a good guy. I'm a nice guy. I cannot toma kano rogananji. Marosa non toma chief. Sa non toma ukaru one tip. Emala na shoe 900,000 is small man. We're learning your mouth. We're learning your mouth. Thomas 762. Your mouth, your mouth. Tata 900,000. Marreta will go add. Thomas, go add. Net phone again, Jemmy. Net my phone is Jamil and your mouth. wena o ra 900,000 is small money nyo mmago ona selo mpia tla re timeline ya gago re go bona a o tlo re 900,000 is small money wa nyana wa gafa na msha wa nyana tla tle ke mo search nyo mmago le ena 900,000 is small money tata go 900,000 wa itse 900,000 900 e yona wa itseba yona marrete o bona tla ke mo search ke re mmona ke fo mmona ga botse marreta ga le a ke rata batho ba go follow tlo go follow di ka re wa ntseba gore ke tswa kae ke a kae mona a o ntsebe mona a o ntsebe no nkgotsa mo social media a o tsere ke tswa kae ke a kae ye bana shu o kae nyo mmagwe bonang so se se ra 900,000 is nothing tla le mmoneng nyo mmagwe bana tla ke letseng ye bonang bana telephone bonang nyo mmagwe or o nagana gore ke ra naira maybe o nagana gore ke ra 900,000 naira bonang nyo mmagwe bana bonang nyo mmagwe bana ye bana bonang bana nna mare ke a hlolelwa nna bonanhle bana e kae camera gan le yona a isa search a isa switch na le yona a isa switch tla ke molaetse shu bona ka kolenyana tatagwe blue tick ml250 ibile o ka re tswa Namibia bona nna mare ke a hlolelwa bana mfana o re 900,000 is nothing mfana wa gafa nyo mmago wa gafa bana wa gafa msha ke tsona tšentše bana yana na le Instagram ke tsona tše ke eng mara tsona tše bana bonang bana o re 900,000 is nothing nyo mmago le ena wa nya bana wa gafa msha ye bana nete wa tsa nto e jemme be ke nyako mo eda mfaneng be ke nyako mo eda mara hai wa tseba ga botse wa tseba